Okay.
Okay, first of all, Christian, this is the shaft sealing and the sealing for the drive bush. We put this onto the shaft first, up to the shoulder of the shaft. Then we take the drive bush and heat it up.
Then we
heat the drive bush up. First we have greased the shaft, if you can imagine this would be the shaft. Then we take a very, very hot, now after this has been heated and on the shaft, along comes a spring along the shaft, there we go, and then the sliding
with 3 pins.
With 3 pins. Will be mounted. Okay, remember to put the O-ring onto the pulley, and then the cover. Take up the pressure of the springs by using these threads until the 2 pieces go together, and then tighten with the other 6 screws. Okay, remember, when taking the pressure from the pulley, then we are pulling the pulley over the shaft. We have to be careful because of the feather here. This should be either filled up with grease or a special collet should be made, so as it does not damage the 2 O-rings which are on the sliding pulley when we're pulling it over it. This one here. Then we pull it back so much that we can get the feather into the slot. Okay. Then we heat the second part of the pulley. This one doesn't need to be so hot as the other ones. Okay. When it's hot, we take the pulley and put the pulley over the shaft until we can see the circlip ring by putting the circlip into position. This is the end flange. This will be your shaft seal, and then there is another seal here for the actual top of the bush, and this will come over the shaft, come over, and it will need pressing or slight knocking with grease on the top here. Okay, when you've got this far and you have tightened this flange to the bush, only 2 screws in the beginning, because you can use the last screw hole to put the grease in, which we are sending you as well. But the grease should be put in after you have statically balanced the whole shaft. If you do not balance the shaft, you will damage everything. Good luck.